नमस्ते सभी भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ताओं को मैं तहे दिल से बधाई देता हूँ। आज स्थापना दिन है। टुडे आई एम हियर इन केरला, त्रिशूर। Many times I am thinking, then why BJP in the life? Why BJP in India's society life? Why? If you ask these questions to many BJP Karyakarta, you will get different types of answer, varieties of answer. Why BJP in personal life and why BJP in Indian society's life? Why? But many times I am thinking about it that yes, for the development of the society, for the development of the country, it is essential. But what I am thinking, my thought process told me, in Kurukshetra, Bhagwan Krishna committed not only to the Indian society, to the world, that yadai dai dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata abhyutthanam dharmasya tadatmanam sujaram paritranaaya sadhanam vinashaya janashmata dharma sansthapanataya sambhavami yogi. What is the meaning of this thing in terms of all dimensions of the society? What I am thinking, especially in political field, my grandfather is always telling about me. The swaroop of avatar is different, always. The character, the frame of the avatar is different, always. But in terms of politics, the birth of BJP, the birth of Janasangha, in political canvas, yes, it's a cultural change, it's a new culture. It's a culture based on the Indian philosophy. But for me, what I'm thinking, the commitment which was given to Lord Krishna in Kurukshetra, yes, BJP is for that. Dharma sansthapanarthaya sambhavami yogi yogi. So just try to understand that our party is not a single political party. It's an avatar in political field to create dharma in the society. Thank you.